Okay, to get started, I just added the screenshot to my timeline, and I'd like to highlight this first line of text. To do that, let's click and hold on the pen tool to see the other options and then select the rectangle tool. Now drag a rectangle over the text you'd like to highlight. Next, let's go over to the effect controls and open up your shape settings. And here you can click the fill color to change it to the color of your choice. I'll set mine to yellow since that's the most common highlighting color. Then scroll down in the video and under opacity. You'll see the blend mode option. Change the blend mode to multiply. Okay, now we have our text highlighted, but let's say you want to animate the highlight to give you a bit more presence. To do that, let's go over to Effects and tight crop into the search box. Drag the crop effect onto your graphic layer. Back up in Effect Controls, make sure the playhead is positioned at the start of the graphic, and then go over to the crop effect. Change the right value to 100% and click the stopwatch toggle to create your starting keyframe. Then move the playhead to when you want your text to be finished highlighting and change the right value to 0 to automatically create a second keyframe. Okay, now when I play this back, I have a nice looking highlighting text effect. To smooth out your animation, a bit drag to select both of your keyframes, then right-click one of them and select Auto Bezier all right. Now that looks smoother. That's all for me. So thanks for watching and see you next time.